Hello, my friend. This is an introduction to the Speak Singing English course. This course was designed for you to learn how to speak English naturally. You know, when you were a little child, you learned how to speak your native language before you went to school, right? You know, children pay attention to what people are saying and what is happening. And connecting what people are saying and what is happening, they understand what is going on and they understand the meaning of what people are saying. So when they need to say something, they already know it because they heard what was being said in a similar circumstance. You know, little children pay attention to what they hear, right? You've seen that. So repetition is very important. So the way you learn with Speak Singing is you watch the videos, paying close attention to the pronunciation and what is happening, the pictures that you have, and you repeat many times so that you may memorize it, okay? So this is the way you study with Speak Singing, and very soon you're going to be speaking English without even perceiving how you got to learn how to speak English. So enjoy it, have fun, and thank you for choosing Speak Singing.